Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're starting immediately. Plug a good USB cable into the Mirage G4's phone USB and your Android device. Once connected, unlock your phone and accept Android Auto permissions, contacts, location, and notifications, because the head unit needs them to mirror apps and routes. Make sure the car is in park so initial pairing can finish. If the head unit prompts for source, select Android Auto. You do this to let navigation, audio, and voice control off cleanly between devices. Once Android Auto appears, you'll configure which apps show and how audio routes. On the Mirage G4 screen, tap Settings, then Allowed Apps to enable maps, music, and messages. This trims clutter. Use the steering wheel voice button to launch Google Assistant fast, safety first, versus tapping the display. Make sure audio output is set to Android Auto in the car's audio menu so navigation prompts and media share the same channel. You'll notice controls map to both touch and physical buttons for safer driving. To finish, test a navigation route and play media to confirm sound levels and mic pickup. Save home and work in maps and pin frequent contacts for quick calls. If your Mirage G4 supports wireless Android Auto, pair Bluetooth, then enable Android Auto wireless on the phone. This avoids cables later. If things go wrong, try one key troubleshooting tip. Disconnect, reboot your phone, and swap to the manufacturer USB cable. Most connection issues stem from faulty cables or stale app caps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.